Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device and tools can capture Wi-Fi frames and that you have legal authorization to collect this data. Enable monitor mode and grant packet capture permissions. Pick the SSID or BSID you need and lock to its channel so you only gather relevant packets. Once done, set the output file path, choose PCAP format for compatibility, and set rotation so files don't grow out of control. Start the capture immediately to avoid losing transient frames. Next, you process the raw captures to extract useful Wi-Fi data. Load files into T-Shark or Wireshark and filter by MAC addresses, probe requests, management frames, or specific protocols to reduce noise. This lets you focus on device behavior and roaming patterns. If you possess the correct WPA passphrase or PMK, apply decryption keys to reveal payloads. Otherwise, focus on metadata. Make sure to automate preprocessing with scripts to convert. Finally, analyze the clean dataset to answer your mission. Compute dwell times, RSSI trends, client association and roam events, and aggregate SSID usage. Export summarized records as CSV or JSON for dashboards or mapping tools so you can spot patterns quickly. Make sure to validate timestamps and sync across files. If you find gaps, check channel lock, monitor mode continuity, antenna orientation, and file rotation settings. These are the usual causes of missing Wi-Fi frames, so adjust and recapture as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.